Hi, my name's Mark Ryan, and I'm going to talk to you today about a book I've recently written, published by Manning Publications. The name of the book is Deep Learning with Structured Data, and it covers everything you need to know to take advantage of the power of deep learning when working with tabular structured data sets. The book goes through an extended example of applying deep learning to a structured data set, preparing the data, training the model, and then deploying the model. Here's the data set that's used in the major example in the book. It comes in a series of Excel files, one for each year since 2014, and within each file, there is a tab for each month that shows all of the delays for that month. The columns within each tab show the route, time, day, location, the kind of delay it was, the minutes of the delay, and the direction of the vehicle when it was delayed. And here you can see the model being trained. The model is going through a total of 15 epochs, and while it's being trained, the weights within the model are being set to minimize the loss function. It'll keep running until it reaches a point where it hasn't improved for the patient's number of epochs, and then the training will stop. The book takes you through preparing a raw data set, cleaning it up, training a deep learning model using that tabular data set, and producing a trained model. Now, the book shows you how to deploy this model in a simple web interface. Let's see how it works. So suppose I want a prediction for a streetcar trip that's in the downtown area, going westbound during the summer, and let's make it during the morning rush hour. I click on Get Prediction. The model's being invoked in the background, the trained model, and we get the prediction that yes, there will be a delay on this particular streetcar trip. Let's try another prediction. This time, let's take a streetcar route that is a little bit further outside the center. We'll go westbound. We'll make it during the autumn, and we'll try it a little bit later at night. Now, as you'll see, this interface is fairly primitive, but the idea is to get across how to deploy a deep learning model as simply as possible. Again, click on Get Prediction. The model is being invoked in the background, and the next page will be brought up to show that there is no delay predicted for this particular trip. We've taken the whole trip from a raw data set with all of its problems to a trained deep learning model that makes predictions based on the data in that data set. And this model has been deployed in a simple web interface. The book takes you through this whole trip from beginning to end. And by reading the book, you'll learn all about all the technology that's involved to deliver this solution. And that's a brief introduction to my book, Deep Learning with Structured Data, from Manning Publications.